Padrage O'Brien, is that a wig? Padrage, thank you for your comment. No, I can confirm it's not a wig. Although in some videos I do agree with you, my hair is quite puffy, especially my older ones. Usually when I'm due a haircut, it does get quite puffy. I have very thick hair, so thankfully I don't need a wig, not yet. But you never know. Hey guys, welcome to another episode of responding to your comments. This time, we're filming it outdoors because the weather is pretty good. So what are we waiting for? Let's dive into your comments. Lewis Girl, do you have any tips on how to treat sunburn? I live in Australia and have really bad sunburn right now. Thank you for your comment. This is a very serious topic actually. I'd say the most important thing that you first need to do is prevent yourself from getting sunburn because it's very serious. If you get sunburn, I think if I'm correct, if you get sunburn once every 2 years, it actually triples your risk of melanoma skin cancer, which is very, very serious. So I can't actually stress the importance of this. Now, sunburn isn't just when your skin is really red and peeling, okay? Because a lot of people have this wrong idea of what sunburn is. Sunburn can also be just when your skin is red and pink. That is also classified as sunburn. And if you have darker skin, your skin might not be red, but it might be irritating and tender to touch. This is also classified as sunburn. So the most important thing you can do is prevent it. I did a video a long time ago on sun creams and how to prevent getting sunburn. I'll leave a link somewhere here that'll pop up. But in terms of what to do when you have sunburn, first thing you need to do is get out of the sun, of course. Next thing you need to do really is cool your skin, so go for a cold shower. Try using a damp cold cloth and holding it on the areas to cool the skin. You can also use like sprays and creams which contain aloe vera. That's very good at doing that as well. Another thing that you will have is possibly the dehydration. So dehydration is a big thing when you're sunburnt and your skin is damaged. So make sure you're drinking plenty of fluids. And if you are still in pain, then visit your pharmacy and get some painkillers which can help as well. But the most important thing is that you need to prevent it. So please, please, please try and prevent it. Cover your skin more. Watch the video. It gives you loads of different tips on what to do because I can't really stress the importance of how dangerous sunburn is. Chicken Little, I got a bee sting in the mouth while drinking cola. What will happen? I was outside. Chicken Little, thank you for your comment. I hope you're okay and recovered now. This comment is from a few months ago. But I'm more interested in this bee. Where did it come from? Was it in the cup? Did it come in whilst you were drinking it? It just like flew in? And then what happened to the bee? Did it like fly back out, or did you spit it out? Let me know because I'm actually quite intrigued to find out. Patricia Bennett, I appreciate all your videos. Is it possible for you to tell me about Blepharitis eye conditions? The doctor says it's reoccurring. Thank you for your video and blessings and greetings and hugs. Patricia, thank you for your comment. Thank you for always commenting on my videos actually and all the support you've always given me from day one really, I think. Blepharitis, so blepharitis is a long-term medical condition. It doesn't really go away. It affects the edges of the eyelids where they become inflamed. Now, there are things that you can do to prevent it sort of from coming back. You can sort of keep it under control, and this is called good eyelid hygiene. Now, the whole process, it takes a bit of time to learn how to do it. It's all about hot compresses, it's about cleaning it properly and massaging it. But I did make a video about this a couple of months ago, which I'll leave a link somewhere here for anyone to watch. It's really useful. It tells you everything you need to do, and I hope it helps. Gaming GCYT, I always get motion sickness because I was playing phone on a car. Any tip how to cure? Gaming GC, thank you for your comment. I mean, you've kind of said the answer in your question. Don't play on your phone, it's pretty simple. I'm the same as well. Whenever I use my phone in the car if I'm a passenger and I get on my phone, that's it. Straight away I get motion sickness and I'll feel really ill and I'll stop talking to everyone and I'll go into my own little zone to try and get back to my own normal self. So stay off the phone, speak to everyone in the car, have a good time, socialise with them. It'll be actually good for you, I think. Hashim Khan, dear Abraham the pharmacist, can you do a video about your everyday life? I'm interested to see what you get up to away from the white coat. Hashim, thank you for your comment. As you can see, I'm never away from the white coat, I'm always wearing it. In terms of what I do, well, I'm a massive lover of coffee. I like good coffee. We visit Rome quite often, and if anyone else visits Rome, go to a place called San Anastasio. It's probably one of the most famous coffee shops, and they do the most amazing coffee. It'll blow your mind. And maybe get me a bag of coffee beans as well and send it to me. I'd love that. I'm also very active and sporty. I run pretty much every day. usually about 3 to 5 miles. It makes me feel good. I feel energized after a run. Sometimes I have run like twice a day as well, but I've started to cut that down as well. I play a lot of squash. I play squash quite competitively, and in the winter we do a lot of winter sports. Me and my brother have always been keen skiers. We used to ski probably once or twice a year, but now recently we've gone to snowboarding the past few years, and to be honest, I prefer that. So that's a bit about me away from the white coat. And that's the end of this week's episode. Thank you for all the comments. I'm really enjoying this interaction that we've got going on YouTube. We're getting over 2,000 comments per month. So if I missed your question or didn't get back to you, leave another comment and I'll try and get back to you on next week's responding to your comments. Please also don't forget to subscribe and click that bell button, which tells YouTube that you're enjoying my content and you want to see more. See you next week. Hey guys, thanks for watching this week's video. Make sure to click that like, follow or subscribe button now to stay up to date with new weekly videos.